You ever see students staring at a blank page and overwhelmed by a writing assignment? I've seen that too many times. Now, maybe they have great ideas and they can talk to you about it, but they struggle to organize them and they struggle to put them down in clear, complete paragraphs and do so in a timely process. Now, moving from brainstorming to polishing drafts can feel like a huge leap for many writers. Now, what if there was a step-by-step process to help students confidently plan, draft, and then refine their work, be it informational, expository, and the list goes on in terms of the genres. Welcome back to the Writing Classroom Strategy series, where we're all about tackling those writing challenges head on. And today, we're going to help students with success with a PLANS strategy, P-L-A-N-S. Now, this strategy is fantastic for informational and expository writing, and it's also effective for students in those upper elementary and middle school classrooms. But remember, this series focuses on the middle school, and it focuses on struggling learners, particularly students with learning disabilities, when it comes to writing. Now, we're also focused on offering clear, structured frameworks for organizing the writing process, and today it's going to be organizing student thinking within that writing process. So, what does the PLANS, or the PLANS strategy, stand for? Let's start with P. P is for preview, and that's a preview for the topic, the audience, the goals. L is for list. List your main ideas, and then details, and then by oftentimes using a graphic organizers to kind of structure that list. A is for assigning numbers to order this logically. N is for note. Note your ideas in complete sentences, transforming that plan into paragraphs. And then finally, S is for search. Search for errors and correct them. Refine your writing for clarity and correctness. And altogether, we'll have a pretty good writing process. So, why is it so effective? Well, because first of all, it encourages metacognition. It helps students think about their own writing. It allows them to improve the organization. It builds confidence. It provides a repeatable process. And overall, it allows them to strengthen their revision skills. And do so, it's comprehensive, it guides them, and overall, it allows students to organize and polish their writing all together. So, ready to help your students draft with purpose? Go for it. And remember, stay tuned to this playlist and subscribe now to the Writing Classroom Strategies to unlock your students' writing potential.